Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to factory reset or restore factory settings to the DZ09 Smartwatch. As you can see, this is the DZ09 Smartwatch. Alright, and the first thing you want to do guys is just wake up the device. Until that, you can go into the main menu, and in here you'll see a bunch of icons. Just go into settings, and once you're in settings, just slightly scroll down. Once you do that, you should see restore settings, and the restore settings here is what we're going to use to actually factory reset or restore factory settings. Now, you'd only want to do this in cases where your device is giving errors or it has an issue, or you want to return it to factory settings for some reason. Also, if you're going to sell the device, you might want to also do that, and be warned, doing this will erase all data on the smartwatch. So let's get straight into it. Now, first thing you're going to do guys is tap on factory reset, as you saw there, and then of course you're going to put in the password, and the password is 1122, and this is the password set by the manufacturer. I'll put it on screen. All right, once you do that, to stop the down arrow, then you're going to hit OK, and of course it says restore settings and restart the phone. If you click yes, it will only take a few seconds to a minute, and it should erase everything on your phone. Your phone will then reboot. Alright, so just go ahead and tap yes if you are sure, and make sure that your settings are all your data is backed up before you actually do this. In my case, I won't click yes because I don't want to. Just want to show you the password and how to actually reset it. Alright, so that is basically, so as soon as you hit yes, in a few seconds it will be erased. Alright, so guys, that has been how to actually reset the DZ09 smartwatch with the password as well, which is 1122. Alright, so here that has been another quick tip from Blog Tech Tips guys. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Also ask any questions you want below in the comments. Alright, so it's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time guys. Bye.